Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great other in our collection. A pre-owned 2023 Ford Transit cargo van. This Ford is powered by rear-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 56,027 miles. Unlock your business potential with our 2023 Ford Transit cargo van. Reliable, spacious, and ready for any job. Don't miss out on this unbeatable opportunity. Call today to schedule a test drive and elevate your work experience. This pre-owned Transit cargo van comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows. To keep you entertained, this Ford Transit cargo van is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.